Hello and welcome to SpoonCrafty, your one-stop channel for everything food and more. Today, we're delving into a topic that's as sweet as it is intriguing: the world of sweeteners. We'll be looking into the fascinating differences between natural sweeteners like honey, maple syrup, and agave nectar, and artificial ones such as stevia and aspartame. How sweet are they really, and how do they impact our health? Plus, we'll explore the diverse culinary applications of these sweeteners, from baking to beverage concoctions. In the realm of sweeteners, there's so much more than meets the eye, or should we say, the tongue. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through it. We'll be unraveling the sweetness levels of these substances, their health implications, and how best to use them in your culinary adventures. So are you ready to sweeten your knowledge? Stay tuned as we dive into the world of sweeteners. First off, let's explore the world of natural sweeteners, the sweetness nature provides. A delightful trio of honey, maple syrup, and agave nectar awaits us. These sweeteners are derived directly from nature, imbued with flavors that are as diverse as they are delightful. Let's start with honey, a golden elixir produced by bees from the nectar of flowers. It's about 1.5 times sweeter than regular sugar, and it's packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Honey is a versatile sweetener that can be used in everything from a simple cup of tea to complex culinary creations. Next up is maple syrup, a sweet sap tapped straight from the heart of maple trees. It's about as sweet as sugar, but it also offers an earthy, rich flavor that's hard to replicate. Plus, it's brimming with antioxidants and minerals like manganese and zinc. Whether it's drizzled over pancakes or used in a savory glaze, maple syrup adds a unique touch to any dish. Last but not least, we have agave nectar, a sweetener derived from the core of the agave plant. It's even sweeter than honey, almost 1.5 times as sweet as sugar. Agave nectar is a popular choice in vegan recipes as a honey substitute, and it's great for sweetening cold beverages as it dissolves easily. Now you might wonder, why choose these natural sweeteners over regular sugar? Well, besides their unique flavors, they also offer a range of health benefits. They're less processed than regular sugar, and they contain nutrients that regular sugar lacks. Plus, they have a lower glycemic index than sugar, meaning they don't cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. These natural sweeteners aren't just for sweetening your coffee or tea. They can also be used in cooking and baking, adding depth of flavor that regular sugar can't match. So, the next time you're whipping up a batch of cookies or simmering a sauce, consider reaching for a bottle of honey, maple syrup, or agave nectar. Natural sweeteners, a sweet gift from nature indeed. But what about the sweetness crafted by humans? Let's find out. Now let's shift our attention to the realm of artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners, the science-made sugar substitutes, have their own unique narratives. Take stevia and aspartame, for example. These are names you've likely seen on the labels of diet sodas or sugar-free candies. But what's the story behind these sugar impersonators? Stevia comes from the leaves of the Stevia rebaudiana plant. Yet it's not your average leaf extract. It's a whopping 200 times sweeter than regular sugar, with a slightly bitter aftertaste that some find off-putting. Aspartame, on the other hand, is a low-calorie sweetener that's around 200 times sweeter than sugar, without the bitterness of stevia. As for health implications, artificial sweeteners can be a double-edged sword. On the positive side, they can help those with diabetes or those looking to reduce their calorie intake. They don't affect blood sugar levels like sugar does, and they add virtually no calories to your diet. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There's been a great deal of controversy surrounding artificial sweeteners. Some studies suggest they might increase your appetite, leading to weight gain rather than weight loss. There's also been concern about aspartame's potential link to health issues, though it's worth noting that the FDA has deemed it safe for consumption. When it comes to cooking and baking, artificial sweeteners can be a bit tricky. They don't provide the same functions as sugar in terms of browning, caramelization, or moisture retention. Plus, their intense sweetness can be hard to control. But for those watching their sugar intake, they can be a useful tool in the kitchen, allowing for the creation of lower-calorie, sugar-free treats. Artificial sweeteners, a testament to human innovation in the pursuit of sweetness. But are they the better choice? That's for you to decide. And there you have it. A sweet journey through the world of natural and artificial sweeteners. We've navigated the honeycomb of natural sugars, from the floral notes of honey, the earthy sweetness of maple syrup, to the exotic allure of agave nectar. each with their unique sweetness levels and rich tapestry of flavors that can elevate your culinary experiences. Not to forget their health benefits when consumed in moderation. We also delved into the realm of artificial sweeteners, uncovering the intense sweetness of stevia and aspartame. These zero-calorie alternatives can be a boon for those watching their sugar intake, but remember, it's always about balance. Whether you're baking a decadent dessert or stirring up a refreshing drink, the choice between natural and artificial sweeteners often comes down to personal preference and dietary needs. Thanks for joining us on this sweet adventure. If you enjoyed the video, please consider liking and subscribing and share SpoonCrafty with your fellow foodies. Also let us know what your preferred sweetener is. Until next time, stay healthy, stay crafty.